treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International, stack 'em that mill. So hit that slow, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker.
This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Can you guys hear me on the microphone? Mic check. Let's go.
Chasing that mill. So hit that sub.
That's
Join the quest. Riches await.
Go.
You're the best international.
The back is doing great. Thank you,
Strong.
Altenberg.
Gold where you belong.
Let's go.
Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving,
Grooving.
side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space.
Who's ready?
Your claws up, don't delay.
Who's ready?
Join the party night and day.
Let's go.
And silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who wants it all?
Ready for the mega goal?
Mega God.
The crew, the Shell Brigade.
Joe Brigade.
Found, the music's played.
Let's go.
Get your claws up, don't delay. Join the party.
1 minute, 20-second warning. Top off your drinks. It's about to get wild.
And silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the Shell Brigade.
Shell Brigade. Are you part of the Shell Brigade? Who's part of the Shell Brigade?
Get your claws up in the sky.
Go.
International stacker, he's our guy.
Go. 30-second warning. 30 seconds.
Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go. That's really me dancing there, by the way. That is really me dancing. Mrs. IS nearly lost it. Here we go.
Dance with me. Dance with me.
Here we go. We're gonna go old school on this one.
With me.
We're gonna go old school on this one.
One
Stacker.
on a journey.
Emergency transmission.
Find silver. International Stacker.
Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. I am sipping on another glass, another cup, another mug of Mrs. International Stacker's coffee. We make videos all around the globe, 1,600 videos for you guys to enjoy. But ladies and gentlemen, what we're really here to enjoy is silver just made an all-new high, $71.09, and it's about to blow through it again. Futures is 71.07. All-time futures high just made right before the stream was 71.08. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Buckle up, buttercups. 300 people on the stream, 50 likes. Smash that like button. Gold is building up a nice strong formation here as well. Looks like it's going to make a run at 4,500. Gold to silver ratio is plummeting. It's 63.010. We'll be to 62 soon. Twitter or X is blowing up, and ladies and gentlemen, we are about to unseat Apple. Apple's market cap is 4.030 trillion. We just crossed $4 trillion for the first time ever in history. About to take out Apple and the market cap of all companies publicly traded cryptocurrencies, ETFs. Let's go. Who's excited? We've got 4 minutes and 15 seconds left on this candle. Are you team green or team red? Let us know in chat. Guys, share this stream out. Like the stream. Tell your friends. Tell your family. It's going to be absolute insanity here shortly. All new high silver futures, 71.18. 71.18. All new futures all-time high. Let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Hi-ho Silver Way, says Just Dario. Bob the Billionaire saying bye-bye 70. Guys, are we there? Are we there? Like, I was talking about buying silver under 50 being a thing of the past. Is buying silver under 60 a thing of the past? And if it is buying silver under 70 a thing of the past? What do you guys think? Let me know in chat. Thank you so much, wife, for subscribing. Guys, we're at 44,467 subscribers. 33 more subscribers until the next big show. Not far away. I bought my 4 coins today at my local coin shop. Team Green. Nice. Nice, Lefferty. Awesome. Fractional silver will start becoming popular now. Yeah, definitely. Guys, we're so close to Apple. Oh, man, we're so close to Apple. We're about to be number 3 in market cap with silver. Team Red's fighting here, but I think we can ultimately turn this one green. We literally just kissed the all-time high again last candle. And let's check futures. 71.18. And Jolly Lollipop is saying International Stacker for President 2028. Let's go! I accept this nomination. Thank you so much, Jolly Lollipop, for that $2 silver chat. Also, too, before I was on the stream, I want to shout out Brody. Brody F.A. gifted a 1 International Stacker channel membership to someone in chat. So make sure you thank Brody for that. Someone got it. And remember, members get all access to the War Room live streams. And ladies and gentlemen, what happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. And we will be doing a live War Room member-only live stream after this live stream's done. I've received some critical intelligence. And also, I'm getting breaking news. Breaking news, I'm getting live footage from the COMEX right now. I'm piping it in. Poor Mortimer's had about 500 heart attacks on this channel lately. Oh, where did I get the silver hammer? It's actually Thor's hammer. SGT Stacking, who is a moderator, channel member, and a silversmith, and a content creator. SGT Stacking made it. Thor's hammer. He also made this. Like, he is super good. But guys, why are we stacking this stuff? Physical silver and physical gold. It's because all throughout history, This stuff has betrayed people. Bankers, government said, put this in retirement, put it in your bank account, you'll be good. This used to be a lot of money. Now it's worth absolutely nothing. This Vietnam dong, absolutely nothing. Disgusting. That's why we stack physical gold and silver. And to think that can't happen with the US dollar or any other currency is just foolish. It could happen anywhere. All right, and Eric just became a channel member. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for becoming a channel member, Eric. That's mega. Eric, check out your new emojis. And Sublime Mad Dog is dropping the link to SGT Stacking's channel, so check him out. Thank you for all the subscribers. Let's go. Yeah, it's Thor's hammer. Thor's hammer. So all new high for silver, guys. 7D109. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see what people are saying. Bye 70. So guys, is 70 done? I think 50 for sure is a thing of the past. I think we could have a correction into the 60s. It's possible. But under 60 might be a thing of the past now. We'll see. Silver is busting loose, says Nostra, House of Gold. Son of a gun. There's 71, says TF Metals report. And Silver Ape King saying, say hello to 71. That dip barely lasted a heartbeat. They pushed it down, buyer step. Yeah, guys, look at this attack they did. I was talking about this on the earlier live stream earlier today. They did the attack of all attacks. So we had this meteoric rise. Then they battle us. So from a high of 70.68 to a low of 68.83. So over $1 on that one. But look, bang, 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 right back up. It's not working anymore, guys. These attacks, it used to be on average a little over $1. Now on average, they're like 60 cents. But this was a multi-prong attack we saw here. Tomorrow's numbers are going to be crazy on the CME. This shows how many paper contracts traded. Yesterday was like 545 million fake ounces of silver. So that's going to be crazy tomorrow. But the whole point is their attacks aren't working anymore. They used to work. They used to send the market bearish for at least days, if not weeks, sometimes months. Now look at it. It's hungry as we're on a green candle again with silver, getting ready to push even higher. We're moving sideways, which is healthy. It's called consolidation. There's only one thing that moves up forever, and that's the US debt. 38.5 trillion. Look at that. So disgusting. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Festivus. Whatever you might celebrate. If you celebrate none of that, at least celebrate Silver's Day in the Sun. Okay, let's see where we're at. Man, we are so close to Apple. We need Apple to have a down day. Woo! We did not pass Apple yet. I just showed that. 17.15. We're only 3 cents from the all-time high for silver futures. Thank you so much for all the subscribers. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. Yeah, where is the bot? Okay, I will restart the bot. Give me 1 second. When I went live today, it acted weird. So that might have something to do with it. I'll fix the bot right now. Let's go. Okay, are you team green, team red? Let us know. You got 45 seconds left on this candle. I'm team green. I'm fixing the bot. Stand by. Stand by. Okay. 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 The bot should be coming alive. And we've got just 20 seconds left on this candle. I'm team green. The bot should be coming alive soon. And guys, we're at 44,476 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means only 24 more subscribers until the next big show. At 44,500, we will be doing the big show. Team Green takes it. The next candle, we got 5 minutes on this candle. Let us know in chat if you're Team Green or Team Red. 600 people on the live, 137 likes. Thank you so much. We just need 13 more likes to 150. So please smash that like button. Really appreciate it. 71.19 all-time high silver futures. 71.19 all-time high silver futures. Buckle up, buttercups. We're about to go even higher. As gold is pushing higher as well. Look at that trend. Gold to silver ratio is plummeting. We're about to break into 62 for the first time in a long time. We are closing the market cap. Look at that. We're about to take Apple out. This is top assets by market cap. All public traded companies, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. And silver's about to be number 3. Where's the bot? Okay, the bot might be dead for this live stream. I'm not sure. Why bot? Why bot? Let me try to turn them off and on one more time. Okay. Let's see if that fixes the bot. Try that again. Let's see. Okay. Hopefully he comes to live like Frankenstein. I'll tell you what has come alive. Silver. And guys, we are getting ready here. We are getting ready here. We could be just moments away from another all-new high. Wow. And behind the safety of Linux is saying crustaceans are eating all the apples. Woo! Wow, Kaltenberg found 20 World War II German silver coins in their dad's collection. That's amazing. I killed Streamlabs bot in a duel, says RJ Flippo. It could be true. That could be actually true. Gold is coiling. Fresh here. If you guys are an X, previously known as Twitter, make sure you retweet my tweet I just put out about going live. I really appreciate that. 71 falls as silver erases bullion bank smash. Silver rockets to a new high of 71.20. You guys, I can't tell you how bullish that is. That they just did this major attack, like major. Bang! And then all new high again. They can't stop it. They're trying. Their manipulation games are not working anymore. The bankers right now.
We're ruined.
They're totally ruined. Oh, crab apples. Love that Josh Elder hat trick. Crab apples. So we're about to eat apple and market cap. Oh, we're right back under 4 trillion. It's okay. Don't panic. Do not panic. Yeah, it's a post now on X, not a tweet. It used to be tweet when it was Twitter, but it's X, and now it's a post. I just got to get with the times. More people are now bullish on silver above 70 an ounce than under 30 an ounce. That's so funny. Make that make sense. I love that. Breaking, silver extends gains to record $71 an ounce, now up nearly 150% year to date. Wow. We're quite literally witnessing one of the most historic runs ever in precious metals. And ladies and gentlemen, not a financial advisor, but I believe we're just getting started. Buckle up. That's funny. Silver printing not all new high as we speak. Wow, wow, wow. We're getting ready here for the next run. We got 25 seconds left in this candle. Looks like Team Red might take it. Team Red may edge us out. Let's see here. It's a battle. 15 seconds left in this candle. It's a battle. See what happens here. Oh yeah, our all new high is 71.09. We broke 7109. That's our all new high for silver spot. Silver futures all new high is 7119. Yeah, SGT sells silver. He sells Thor's hammer, all that. So check him out. K-Team just put his channel in the chat. Rockzilla in the house. Good to see you, Rock. Good to see you, Rockzilla. As we are consolidating, moving sideways here, we'd like to see that actually. Thank you for subscribing. 44,477 subscribers. That means only 23 more till the next bit.
Run.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay, we're back. Woo! I was showing you guys the sound of real money. Listen to this. That's the sound of real money. Pocket pinger. Link in the description below. Comes with the phone application that takes the guesswork out of fake or real gold and silver. Lots of fakes. Guys, I've been having this mic issue for about 4 days now, but I finally think I figured it out. I replaced cables, updated drivers, but I think tonight I'll have the final fix to fix it. I've given away many pocket pingers. Gave away 10 pocket pingers, I think, in the Mega Ga. Definitely every stacker needs one. Link in the description. Best deal on the pocket pinger, and it helps support the channel. Get yourself a pocket pinger. Back to 4 trillion. Back to 4 trillion market cap with silver. IS Coffee Ga, yeah. The real geared up survival did sneak in the war room. He snuck in the war room yesterday, but he was detected. We're having a war room after this stream. Only channel members are allowed in the war room. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Or maybe we let the real geared up survival into the war room to give him faulty battle plan. Yeah, turn on those notifications. That's right, K-Team. Never want to miss a big giveaway. International Stacker, do you think acquiring a certain amount of silver that makes sense to possibly buy a Sigma tester? Soflo is asking, IS, do you think after crying? Yeah. If you're buying silver seriously or gold, get yourself a Sigma. It finds one gold fake coin, it's already paid for itself. As soon as I got over 1,000 ounces, I first got a CCT slide, which is great, but I knew I needed to take it to the next level. So once I got over 1,000 ounces, I bought my Sigma. And if I bought it earlier, I probably would have found the 2 fake Morgan silver dollars that ended up in my stack before I got the Sigma. Let's go. Then I was netted up and put on a boat and captured. That's right. Here's footage of that.
Okay, this boat is coming like really close to us. Guys, it's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate. Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right.
That's real geared up survival on that boat. Nice. Though got their gold back today from the Megaga. Remember, the first 1,000 people who entered the Megaga and claimed it, limit 1 per household, got a free 1/2 gold back. If you guys got your gold back in the mill, put gold back in chat. Let's see how many people got it. Put gold back in chat as the banksters are gonna try to organize another slam here, but didn't work out so good for them last time. Silver, as stated before, when slammy smashdowns happen, take advantage of them instead of complaining. Yeah, every smashdown is a buying opportunity. Not a financial advisor, but it's a buying opportunity. COMEX gold delivery update. Platinum's been running too, from what I hear, guys. Will we go parabolic in Q1 or Q2 2026 as Wall Street bets? Yeah, Medic, we need you to fix the bot. Here's Fozzie the Bear. Every time he takes out $1, this gets tweeted by Silver Santa. Looks like $100 silver's coming by February, says Correlation Economics. Guys, does my target of 75 by the end of the year look ridiculous now? I know a lot of people thought it was. But do you guys know? Does it still look ridiculous? Let's go. Rat Pack Slammy Davis Jr. saying Rudy Poo. All right, I'm gonna try to restart this bot again. I don't know what to do. On. Come on, bot. 25, no. Then we got the 26th, the 27th. Wait, what are these days? 26 all day, that's a Friday. The 27th, no, because that's a Saturday. The 28th opens that evening. And then the 29th, 30th. So we've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 full days left of trading, and then 2 half days. So really, we only have about 4 days of complete trading left. Yeah, we're gonna give the bot an autopsy for him. That's for sure. I probably should have restarted my computer before I went live, but I was in a panic. In a panic. $613 people on the live. Thank you so much. Smash that like button. We're at 227 likes. Only 23 from 250. That's a great number to be at. Maybe if we get to 300 likes, it will revive the bot. I don't know. We're back. We should be back. I was saying we're at 229 likes. Maybe 300 likes will revive the bot. And Little Jedi just tweeted at me, let's go international stacker. That is a crab with a chart on top of a camel. That's funny. I love that. Back, I think. I think I'm back. That is funny. Little Jedi. The mic issue should be fixed this evening. Got the final fix. Look, that attack did not last long. Let's see if we could turn it around here. Been having this mic issue for about 4 or 5 days now, but it's finally gonna get fixed. I finally figured it out. I replaced like all the cables, fixed all the drivers. I updated my firmware. Nice. Barb Park Navy got their gold back yesterday. Awesome. 75 by the end of the week, people, says Road Trip Adventures. Are you guys gonna miss when the mic doesn't break anymore and you guys don't get to yell and chat? Audio. You guys gonna miss that? Who's gonna miss that? Go! Okay, we could have a turning point here. That little 3-bar attack took us from 7104 to 7052. Not a big deal. Here we go. Looking good on gold and silver. Building a little momentum here. Market cap probably took a bit of a hit. Oh, wow. We're still closing. We're closing on Apple. My mic's good, right? Someone's saying there's no audio. Is that old or is the mic dead again? Go say here. And you guys, okay, that's old. Okay. Like, really? Dead again? He used to at least come back for 45 minutes. Wow. Look at Silver Santa. He's saying off the charts. What a wild, wild day this has been so far, guys. Big shout out to Jason Dorr, just became a channel member. Channel members, we are going to be going to the war room. Channel members only, and what happens in the war room stays in the war room. Except for when Gerd up survival sneaks. He had a band of merry men infiltrated, but we caught him. 13 more subscribers to the next big show, which would be 44,500. It's funny because some people are lagging behind in the live stream chat. Like, they're a couple minutes behind. So then I'll see new ones that say no audio. I'm like, wait, is that like a... Is my mic having a problem again, or is that old news? Is that fake news? Make sure you're live, guys. Click the live down at the bottom left-hand side of the video, so you can be in the live chat. We You got a little bull flag here, Foreman. My best. That's not my best work ever with that. What we could do here. Bit crooked. I mean, what a wild year, IS. Almost 139% increase in silver from the beginning of the year to now, says SoFlo stacking. Is it only 139? I thought we were at 150 already. You guys, if Apple has a down day, we still might take them out. No audio again? I don't know if that no audio is new or old. I just got 2 no audios. Is that new or old? I don't know. Another green candle here. Okay, that must be old. That must be old. Okay, that must be old. Make sure you're on live chat. Getting trolled over here. I'm getting trolled. I think the rule's gotta be I just need to see multiples. Although that last time was 2, that's what threw me. Look at this. Right on a bull with silver lasers. Did you guys like the thumbnail on this live stream? I made it the 2 today, I made it like a silver monster that's taken over. You like that? Like a silver like robot come in, they're like, we can't stop it. You guys, I do have 1,600 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. Lots you guys are gonna like. One I released yesterday is really good. It's a bullion dealer sharing the scams other bullion dealers do to you guys, gold and silver stackers buyers, so make sure to check that out. And then also I have a video premiering this Friday, rare look scoring silver where germanium was born in a coin shop. That's a great video too, so make sure you guys watch them both, and I will drop you the link to the next premiere. You're gonna want to click like and click notify me so you don't miss it. Okay, I got an idea here. I got an idea. One second here. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm about to put a link in chat. Do not click this link, whatever you do. This link I put in chat right now, this link I'm dropping, do not click this link, I beg of you. Do not click that link. 10 more subscribers to the next big show, which will be 44,500. If you've never been to a big show, you ain't lived. No, the bot's dead for some reason. The bot is dead. I've tried to restart him multiple times. I'll try again. There we go. See if that works. Who clicked the link? Who clicked the link I said not to click? 30 more seconds left on this candle. It looks like Team Green is going to take it. It looks like we're going to start on another green candle here. So funny. Everyone clicked it. Everyone clicked the link. Sorry guys, I just had to do it. Had to do it. Okay, 4 seconds left on this green candle. 9 more subscribers to the next big show. Okay, next green candle. It's red, then green, and then red, then green. Are you team green, team red? I'm team green. Let me know in chat. A bunch of people just got Rick rolled. Hey, in all fairness, I said don't click the link. Thank you to Chris for subscribing. Fix it. Fixed. Gold. Come on. All I want to do today, guys, I just want to take out Apple. I want to take out Apple as the third market cap. That's what I want to take out. That's my goal for today. I don't care about the price of silver. I just want to take out that market cap. Thank you, Dave the Rave, for subscribing. Guys, we're at 44,494 subs. Only 6 more subscribers to the next big show. The claw games will be back. I'm going to have to, tonight when I fix the audio, I'm going to have to figure out what in the world is going on with the bot. When I launched this live stream, it was acting a little weird at first, so I think it didn't make like complete connection or something. Successful Slave is saying, wait, did I wake up to $70 silver on chat? The dollar is declining that much? No. Successful Slave, you woke up to 71. We were just at 71.09 back here 2 times. And we're about to go back there again. So no, you did not wake up to $70 silver. You woke up to $71 silver. 5 subscribers more to the next big show. Smash that like button, only 26 away from 350 likes. Make sure you're on live chat. Some folks are really lagged behind on chat because someone just told me my audio is fine and I haven't asked that for like 10 minutes. So make sure you're on live chat. Way better to be live. R.I.P. Dave Ramsey. That's funny. Look, I like Dave Ramsey. He's done a lot of good work, helped a lot of people get out of debt. But boy, oh boy, it's completely wrong on gold and silver. And I've heard a couple of calls where he's actually told people to get rid of it. And if you guys don't know a Successful Slave, I actually have a video with him on the channel years ago. We met in Oregon. So if you go here and maybe it's Slave. Right here. Are you a slave to silver? This dark interview says yes. That was Successful Slave. Video's like 4 years old. Go Bob, what do you mean Louis showed hero this AM? I'm not sure what that means. Team Green in the house. Here we go, Team Green. This is the next run up. Let's see what happens here. We're looking good. We're gaining speed. Let's see. I've never been an artist, guys. Oh, the Real Geared Up Survival dropped the link to the interview with Slave. It's a good one. Put it in a window, watch it later. I think you'll enjoy it. Gold's looking strong here too, guys. I did have the Bollinger Bands going, but I just thought it got too... I thought it was too much. Do you guys like it better with the Bollinger Bands? There they are. I feel like there's too many lines. Have the moving day averages as well. You guys prefer with or without the Bollinger Band? What do you guys think? I honestly think it's better with it. I think with the moving average lines I have going and the Bollinger Bands, I feel like it's... You guys like it with? I just feel like it's hard to tell what's what. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this simple moving day average then, since we have the Bollinger Bands. Get rid of that. There we go. Now we got the Bollinger Bands, then we got the 50-day moving average and the 200 moving day average. Okay, Team Red is in the lead, but we still got some time here. We got 4 minutes left in this candle, but Team Red is angry. What happens? Futures is picking back up to 71. COMEX options and price at the COMEX closed today at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's in 20 minutes. Banksters have 5,000 incentives to keep gold prices capped below 500 for another hour. Ooh. So what Craig Hemke is saying is that after 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, maybe there won't be a cap on gold. Because someone's got a position on gold. Let's put that out. Asian AI guy. Watch out for those fake AI videos, guys. They're looking for clicks. Ooh, I really like this guy. He's a billionaire that just bought, this year he bought 12.1 million ounces of silver. He just bought 300 monster boxes. Let's see what he has to say. Monster box is 500 American silver eagles, for those who don't know. When a corporation loses revenue too quickly and can't scale back its expenses commensurately, it collapses under its own weight and ceases to exist. And so it is with governments who lose the power of the printing press and can't control their entitlements and military budgets. Take note of spend as much time. Take note and spend as much time prepping as you spend watching your metals portfolio. The Kobayashi letter, it's a gold rally. Is the gold rally still early? Gold prices relative to cash are now at their highest levels since at least the 1960s, officially surpassing the 1980 peak, they're saying. Gold Silver HQ says yes. Gold Silver HQ is saying if you adjust for M2 inflation, gold price should be 12,783. Wow. Is that true? Will it come to fruition? We'll find out. We'll find out. Let's go. The AI videos with the Asian gentleman, who's AI, he's got like 8 or 9 different channels now. Some of the stuff he says in the videos is factual, but a lot is not. A lot of it is hype. Some stuff just straight out like unfounded, but the AI channels are about getting clicks, right? So that's why it went so viral. I got multiple of his videos from everyone. They're gonna confiscate our silver. Help us. Beware. Beware. Do your research. Don't just trust someone on the internet. You guys are, my parents also used to say, like, don't trust strangers. Don't talk to strangers. Now we literally summon strangers to our houses to bring Taco Bell or Amazon. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we did it. Here we go. I'm gonna refresh this, and if we hit 44,500 subscribers, it's time for the big show. Let's see. And we've got 44,500 channel members. You know what to do. It's time for the big show.
Welcome to the 4th annual Crystal Light National
Channel
Aerobic
members,
Championship, featuring
smash
regional
that
fighters
like
from all
button.
across the
Thank
United
you so
States,
much.
competing for the title of America's best aerobic athlete, presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing
Four-time.
the 4-time Crystal Light champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much. That was the big show. And guys, we're at 44,504 subscribers, 96 more till the next big show. And remember, if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1, it's possible. I need a few videos to go viral and we can do it. But if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1st, Crispy Bacon Jr. is donating 5 ounces of silver to give to y'all. I'm matching that another 5 ounces of silver. And Alaskan Prepper, big YouTuber, pledged another 5 ounces if we could do it. So if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1st, that's 15 ounces of silver coming back to y'all. Woo! They're making us work for this next run up, guys. But I feel it in my bones. Remember what I said? We might see an after lunch rally. You remember when I said that? We got off. Some would call that an after lunch rally. Bam. Thank you, KTM. Just dropped Alaska Preppers YouTube in the chat. Cool channel. If you guys found my channel from his channel, put Alaska in chat. I'm curious. Put Alaska in chat if you found this channel because of his channel shouting me out in that one video. Check on market caps here. Copper. Someone wants me to check copper. Never looked up copper on TradingView. Go for this one. Copper's at $5.56. Its high today was $5.63. All-time high. Everything's raging today. Like platinum. Platinum hit. Looks like a top of 2275. Wow. Look at that volume. Yeah, copper's a pound, I believe. I think copper's price was per pound. I think it's per pound copper. Could be wrong. As Nostra House of Gold. Roll to me this, Batman. If we cross 4,500 gold and 70 silver this week, will we look back? 75 is a big level for silver, and bullion banks will be defending that with their junior traders' lives. Once 75 falls, the market will immediately look to 100 next. Remember, that's my target, guys. Another green candle here. Are you team green or red? We got a minute 20 left in this candle. I'm team green. It's going to be close, though. Okay, silver futures back over 71. We might be coiling for the next leg up here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at 44,508 subscribers. Thank you so much. 92 more until the next big show. Crystal Light guy. Do we trade our platinum and palladium for silver? Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, but I'm not bullish on platinum and palladium long term. Short term, I think there's money to be made. And yes, I definitely think gold and silver are much safer assets. But let me look this up. But I believe the industrial demand for platinum is 40% for catalytic converters. And palladium, I think, is 70 to 80% for catalytic converters. And as the world continues to go to electric, like it or not, we're going to end up there. The majority of vehicles are going to be electric. Thus, the majority of the demand for both metals is going to go through the floor. So I think there's short-term money to be made, Exhibit A, but long-term, as that starts to come to fruition, I'd be nervous about stacking it. Again, not a financial advisor, but if I had platinum, I myself would switch it into silver or gold, and would be thinking about when to strategically do that. But just me. Just my thoughts. Okay, guys, we're building up here. We're building up here. I've heard platinum's done better than silver this year. Is that true? No, I think silver's still done better. I don't know. After today's run, maybe. I don't know. But silver, to me, is an obvious thing. Industrial demand is going nowhere. And guess what? If we stop making combustion engines and get away from catalytic converters, silver is going to be needed even more. Oh, Mr. Slammy says, PM Bug, who art in the bullion bank's trading desk? Tarnished by the name, thy trading come, thy slam be done on paper. That's funny. Wow. Buckle up. Let's see what we can do here. What do you guys think is going to happen here? We got another 3 minutes on this candle. Team Green took the last candle. Congratulations. That was a rough one. We won it. I'm Team Green on this. You got another 2 minutes and 45 seconds. And wow, we're only 85 subs from the next big show, which would be 44,600. Amazing. Thank you guys for the support so much. Man, I was about to look something up for you. Welcome everyone to the stream, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. We got 44,515 subscribers. Thank you so much. Subscribe, smash that like. Yeah, I'm Team Red. I'm Team Red when I think it's going to go red, but I think this one's going to go green. But I'm definitely Team Red sometimes. You can be Team Red without betting against silver. It just means you think that candle, what it's going to do. But sometimes I will FOMO green more than red, just optimistically, hoping my vibrations can push it. Unless Cuba has a Walmart. Well, okay, I'm settling this once and for all. Does Cuba, there's no way, have a Walmart? There's no way. No, there are no Walmart stores in Cuba. Thank you. I've gotten that comment a few times. It's a funny comment, though. Do you have a six-toed cat? No, but they are running around in the bushes, snarling. For those who don't know what he's referring to, Hemingway, who is famous person, obviously, but they were down here in Key West, had six-toed cats. So the thing down here is six-toed cats. Shotgun Susie saying, my LCS, which stands for local coin shop, has been in business for 60 years, told me today the big boys are letting it get to 100, then dumping a bunch. We might be buying cheaper metal soon. We'll see. That's an interesting take on it. You guys, should I call one of my contacts right now at a local coin shop? I'm going to have to mute the mic, but do you want me to call a local coin shop right now and see what it's looking like for them live? Let me know. The coin shop in chat if you want to do that. I will. Okay, I'm gonna mute the mic. Okay, I'm back. Wow, 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 wow. I'm back. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. I just got off the phone with him. This is a live update alert from the field. Live alert from the field. So here's the deal. The deal is he's getting more buyers than sellers. More buyers than sellers. He said there'll be someone that will come up and sell like a decent amount, and then someone will come right behind them and buy it all up. He said more buyers than sellers. He said wholesalers are starting to buy silver again, which means the supply is running a little lower. And he said refiners are starting to take 90% silver again, not 925. And he's saying a lot of his buyers are new first-time buyers of silver. Guys, we're not even to the FOMO stage yet, and we're seeing that. Can you imagine what might be right around the corner? So that's a live update from the field. That was First National Bullion. I just called in Del Mar, California. I've got videos at that coin shop. Great coin shop. Make sure you drop them a good review. Right here, Epic Coin Shop Hunt, silver bargains found. That is in that coin shop. So check them out. Drop them a review if you like their stuff. Great people. This is also that coin shop I just called. These two videos here. But that's live reporting from the field. More buyers than sellers. And I asked him, I'm like, are you running out of silver? I'm like, what silver are you buying? Are they buying? He said anything they can get their hands on. He literally said they're buying anything they can get their hands on. I did say, do you have problems buying silver? Are you going to run out? He's like, no, I can still get silver and gold easily from wholesalers, but let's look at it. So people are coming in buying what they can get their hands on. When he buys something, it gets gobbled up real quick. Wholesalers just opened back up and are starting to buy more silver again. And now refineries are now. I'm back. Did you guys hear my whole update from the field, or was the mic out that entire time? Did you guys hear the whole update from the field? Oh my gosh. I think you heard the update. Mic back. We're back. We don't need the mic emoji because I'm going to fix it tonight. I figured it out. Okay, you heard the update. Good. Yeah, he said they're not buying. He can't get rid of sterling, but he can buy and get rid of 90% to wholesale and refiners. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, don't weep for the bankers never shed a tear for you. Who knew silver would have such a strong move? Retesting a 6-month support line, says Squeaky Mouse. Wow. Here we go. Does anybody remember the name I gave this formation the other day? Does anyone remember that? Wicked Sticky Flowers in the house. Knuckle Draggers. The Knuckle Draggers dollar cost average is $48.20. Congratulations, Knuckle Dragger. That's amazing. Elder Joshua Hetrick got it. Yes. What Sit Toya 3000 channel member got it as well. Let's see what we can do here. 4 minutes 50 seconds left in this candle. 410 likes. Thank you so much. Smash that like button. Only 40 away from 450. $44,520 subscribers. Only 80 left to the next big show. Sublime Mad Dog got it. The Devil's Teabag. Let's go. Uh-oh, 71.18. We're 1 cent under the all-time high for futures. 1 cent under the all-time high for futures. Buckle up, buttercups. We're now at the all-time high for futures. We just hit the all-time high for futures, 71.19. Wow. What a wild time to be alive. Wow, what a wild time to be alive. RD, thank you for subscribing. Wow. Crazy, 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 crazy times. I'm just catching up on my phone, guys. I'm text messaging, getting alerts. Looks like Silver Dragons is live. Guys, all new high futures. 71.30. 71.30. Boom goes the dynamite. Buckle up. We're going up. Ladies and gentlemen, $71.30. All new high. Silver futures. I'm at work, can't stay long, but 71. Wait till we hit 75 by the end of the year. Says Mr. Bill, oh no, coming live from their work. Thank you for turning in from work, Mr. Bill. Can we see Daisy? You sure can.
Take the camo, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshesam here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There girl. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
I need to go back there and try to find her. She's probably still alive. Camels stay alive for like a long time. Let's see. Let's see. How long do camels live? 40 to 50 years, guys. Daisy is still with us somewhere. And the $10 New Zealand dollar chat. Thank you so much, Daniel Whitley. I sold my house in 2022 and put some of the profit into gold and silver. And now my gold and silver is worth more than the entire profit I made from buying my house. Look at me now, Mom. Merry Christmas, Stack Nation. Wow, Daniel Whitley. Congratulations. You want to see the COMEX? Okay, we're going live to the COMEX. That's live in the COMEX. Wow, Obi Kenobi, I'm sorry, is reporting that his local coin shop in central Minnesota is sold out. Guys, if your coin shop is running out of silver or sold out, put in chat either sold out or running out. I want to see how wide scale this is. Wow, wow, wow. 71.30, all new high there. Let's see where we're at compared to Apple. You guys, we're getting so close to Apple. So close. Sold out in the UK. I heard UK was having problems. In BC, Canada, a lot of pre-sale. Missouri is running out. Sold out in France. It's becoming unobtainium. Wow, Silver Mania incoming, says level 1 channel member. We're only 20 billion away from Apple. Yeah. We're 20 billion. Fresh. We're 20 billion away from Apple. I wonder where everyone is from and what they're okay. I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart, and I have 1 cup of delicious zero water and another cup full of Mrs. International Stacker coffee. Where are you at in the world and what are you sipping on? Let us know in chat. Let us know in chat. Germany, no problem to find silver if you have enough cash, says Acker Regin. Thank you. Drone Buddha's waiting for delivery. We got Iowa in the house, Netherlands, Miami Beach, Canada. We have Germany in the house, Australia, or Austria, I'm sorry, sipping Coca-Cola. Atlanta, Georgia. China and a cup of tea, nice. Ontario, Canada, Oklahoma City. Florida sipping sake. SoFly, you got to save me some of that sake. Detroit, Michigan. Melbourne, Australia. Guys, my next trip might be Australia. And if I'm going to Australia, I guess I might as well go to New Zealand. Because that's like kind of a trip you want to do together. Wow, platinum just hit all new high. Today's Silver Mill featuring 5 more American Silver Eagles. Keep on stacking. Breaking, it's still not a short squeeze, says VBL's Ghost. It's an accumulation with a deadline. That's interesting. Look on it. The Kobayashi letter saying current situation, U.S. GDP growth is at its strongest pace since 2023. CPI inflation fell last month. Trump supporting a new Fed chair who will cut rates. Oil prices are down to the lowest since 21. Equity ETFs have recorded 1.4 trillion in 2025. Magnificent 7 AI investment now above 600 billion. How can you fight this momentum? They're saying. Who owns the gold makes the room? Me. Physical silver. That's funny. That. Come on, bot. I'm trying to get this bot up. Come on, bot. Where are ya? Oh man, and I'm getting a call that I'm gonna have to not answer. Probably about silver. That's funny, Knuckle Dragger. Knuckle Dragger saying, breaking news, all wars are canceled due to the silver price. For those of you who don't know, silver is like in missiles and weapons, best conductor of electricity, and most reflective metal. Still above 71 on the futures. Let's go. You guys, I just tried to restart the bot again. He's pissed. He wants a pay raise. He said every transaction he's going to be taking 1 claw. We're looking good on the gold and silver here. Let's see if we could do it this time around. Man, look at that gold attack and rally. Look at that. Looks shockingly similar to the silver attack and rally. Like, they don't even try to hide it. Crazy. International Stacker, can we get a possible collaboration with you, Silver Dragons and Yankee? Yeah, for sure. I was on Silver Dragons live stream not long ago. I'd called in October when the prices were going crazy, but I'm friends with both of them. Certainly you could do some sort of collaboration. You guys, we are at 70.93, almost back to 71 here. Futures is increasing. We are in contango. We're not in backwardation, but we've been in and out of backwardation all day. Been a wild trip here. This stream's been going 1 hour and 23 minutes. The market's closed today from 5 to 6. 5 to 6, you have a 1 hour break. And then 6 o'clock on, it picks back up trading in after hours. Eventually, the Asian markets will pick it up. And then London will pick it up. In the morning, around 8 a.m., you'll start seeing the volume pick back up once New York comes online. And tomorrow is a unique day because it's Christmas Eve. So I believe it's going to close around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time instead of the usual. It'll be closed Christmas. Day after Christmas, it will open back up for a full day of trading. I'm not sure if it's going to open Christmas Eve, like the night of Christmas at 6 p.m. like normally on a weekend, or if it's going to start in the morning. I'm not sure. America First with the $2 super chat. Thank you so much, said I mod for Slayer and Salivating Metals. Need a cola. Oh, so America First wants to be a moderator. Is that what you want? You guys, let's do a vote. America First has been active. I'm gonna put it up to the chat. Let's see what you guys think. I'm putting it out to the chat. Let's see what you guys think. Thank you for that super chat, America First. A moderator with some experience. Oh, we just kissed all-time high. We just kissed all-time high. Get ready. Thank you, We Are Question Dutch, for flagging that for me. I was on the gold when it just kissed it. We're getting close here. Okay, I'm gonna end that poll. 55 votes, 75%, 76% say that America First should be a moderator. America First, Neil. Rise, a moderator of the Crustacean Nation. Congratulations, America First. So Fly Stacking. Neil So Fly Stacking. And Rise, a moderator. Hear ye, hear ye. That's funny. Real geared up survival. Hear ye, hear ye. First job is fix the bot. That's funny. I don't think the bot's going to be fixed until I do a new stream. I think the stream got diseased. Sometimes when you do a stream, they can get diseased. I think this one got diseased. I think this one... Rise, So Fly Stacking, a moderator of the Crustacean Nation, keeper of the 7 crabs. Here we go. Buckle up. Buckle up. We almost kissed it. Buckle up. Any second now, my finger is hovering on the alert button. My finger is resting on the alert button. Come on. We kissed it. We kissed the all-time high. Check features. Come on, you know you want to do it. Just get it over with. Fun fact, the Super Bowl trophy is made out of sterling silver. Last year, the raw metals cost around $3,000. This year, it's over $7,000. Wow, that is a fun fact. No Dollar Channel, thank you for that fun fact. That's cool. They should have just made them all in advance. I mean, technically the tip got slightly over it, but I want a decisive move. Here we go. What do you guys think? Are we about to make an all new high? Put all new high in chat if you think we're gonna do it. I'm getting a hotel for fun. Which days will you be there? Oh, you're getting a hotel for fun. Nice. I'm gonna be at the Fun Coin Show. I'm driving up. If you guys are gonna be at the Fun Coin Show, email me at internationalstacker@gmail so you can find me in the wild and get I caught the king crab. I'm driving up the early morning of the 8th. So I'm staying over the night of the 8th, 9th, and then I come back down to Key West on the 10th. So 8th and 9th, I'll be there. Man, we just kissed twice the last two candles. All-time high. Gonna nuke this. And we're so close. So close. They really don't want us to go any higher. Gold's on a bit of a run too. Welcome everyone to the stream. 615 people. Smash that like button. We're only 3 likes away from 450. I think we can do it. And ladies and gentlemen, we're at 44,530 subscribers. Thank you so much. Only 70 subscribers until the next big show. Subscribe. I give away silver and gold all the time. You guys don't want to miss it. Okay, the last time this song played, we made an all new high. See if we can keep it going. We've got 1:30 left on this candle. Gold's working it. Building momentum, building a good base. I see people talking about metals IRAs. That's a question I got, how to do gold and silver IRA versus the stock market. Go to my channel, click videos, click latest. I interviewed the CEO of American Alternative Assets. I asked him all the questions you guys wanted to know. So go watch this video here. It answers all the questions about a gold and silver IRA. Thank you, Philip, for subscribing. 67 more subscribers until the next big show. No heat, says Jeff Gates, but silver's warming my heart as it climbs. Awesome. Okay, a live feed from the COMEX. They're panicking as we're about to break over 7109 again here. Smash that like button, friends, says Stacy Q. Thank you so much, Stacy. Back here. Someone tweeted this at me earlier. Look what they made. Let's go International Stacker. Little Jedi. A chart with a crab on the back of a camel. That is in reference to this.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshism here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. Good girl. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
Here we go. On a green candle here. We got 4 minutes 30 on this candle. Are you team green or team red? I'm team green. Let me know in chat. Wow. America First says they put 10 years of an engineering salaries 401 into a precious metals IRA when it was $27 an ounce. Congratulations, America First. You 3x'd that. Or more 2.5x, but still close to 3. Coming on 3. Next time I'm in Key West, I'll give you a bottle of sake. You better so fly stacking. For real though, if you ever come down here, let me know. Email me, we'll meet up. Someone messaged me from they're in Key West, but I couldn't get a hold of them to do a meetup. Here we go. Here we go. Is this the candle? We do a massive move. We're just 2 cents off. See what we can do here. I pop a cough drop. Channel members, we will eventually go to the war room. I wonder if the war room would actually be better this evening so more people are off work. Channel members, what do you think? Should I just do the war room after the stream, not knowing when it's going to end? Or if the stream doesn't go till the evening, should I do a new war room this evening when more people might be available for it, more channel members? Let me know what you think. Here we go. Here we go. Buckle up. Here we go. All new high, all new high, all new high. We're doing it. We're doing it live. 7112, 7112. Futures 7137. All new high for futures. 7137. Wow. Thank you so much, Stacy Q, for becoming a channel member. You are mega. And thank you to Evan Cohen for letting me know about those futures. All new high again. Here we go. 7114. 7114. We need some targets. Okay, I got a target on 72. And our next target, 7150. Wow. While I am at the Fun Coin Show in Orlando, I am going to go to Epcot with Master Stacker one of the nights. Epcot. 44,535 subscribers. Thank you so much. 65 more subscribers till the next big show. Smash that like button. 600 people on. All new high again. Here we go. This is not a drill. Check gold. Let's check gold. Okay, we need to update with Apple. Wait, gold. Oh wow. Apple. Gold has a mega candle. Let's check Apple. Check Apple. Guys, we are so close. We are so close. All new high again. Wow. You guys, gold is raging. Gold is absolutely breaking loose right now. All new high again. 7119. All of a sudden my $75 target. Mike is back. Mike should be back. All new high. Mike should be back as we make another all new high. Wow. Another one again, guys. How high? We're about to go in backwardation. We are about to go in backwardation. This is a massive supernova candle. The big, mean green. Wow. $71.31. 71.33 futures. Here we go. All new high. Wow. 71.34. Here we go. Whoa, here we go. We're going higher. I think we're in backwardation. 71.36. We are in backwardation. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. We are in backwardation. Backwardation is when the futures price is cheaper than the spot price. That signals immediate need for silver now. Physical silver thinness in the market, lack of physical silver in the bullion banks, not your coin shops, the bullion banks. All new high again. 71.42. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let's check gold. Let's check gold. Let's check gold. Okay, let's check here. We're getting so close. So close to Apple. Wow, wow, wow. Wee, wee, whoa, whoa. This is not a drill. Guys, we're going for 4,500 as well. Wow. Come on. Who's excited? 44,536 subscribers. Thank you so much. 487 likes, 13 likes from 500. I know we can do it, guys. If you're excited, smash that like button. Help this video get out to more people because we're making another all new high. 71.50 looks to be imminent. 71.50 looks to be imminent. Gold is raging right now to 4,500. All new high again. 71.51. Boom goes the dynamite. Wow. Next target, 71.75 is our next target. Ladies and gentlemen, have the banksters learned their lesson yet? I don't know if they learned their lesson yet. Woo! 71.51. Someone's asking if the dollar is getting demolished, so let's duplicate this. Let's see. Yeah, the dollar's got a little smash down going. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Do I have any billionaires in the chat? Let me know. 661 people, 498 likes, just 2 more likes to 500. I know we can do it. I'm showing 71.26 on futures. 71.26. 71.29. Our record is 71.37 on futures. Next candle going green. SDCC Crashers asking gold to silver ratio. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We're 62.8 to 1. We're into the 62s. 62 to 1 gold to silver ratio as gold is pushing higher. Although it's a red candle, it's still pushing higher. Thank you to Steven for subscribing. Not a billionaire, but definitely a thousandaire. That's mega. Woo! Check futures. We should see a massive spike in futures shortly. You got 41 ounces of gold, you're a billionaire, my friend. My definition is if you've got gold and silver and you've increased value in it, you're a billionaire. Man, gold is looking like it's about to imminently make a run for all-time high. Whoa. Whoa. Wanted this guy. That looks imminent, guys. Come on. Another all-time high in silver is imminent. $71.51 silver. It was once a dream. Ladies and gentlemen, they said we were crazy. They said it would never pass 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70. We're just getting started. Let's go. Nice. SoFly Stacking's dollar cost average is 35. This is the Santa rally. Santa Claus is bringing us all gifts this year. 71.35. 2 cents off from the all-time high. Let's check it on the market cap. Getting so close on the market cap. Wow. What's going on here? Okay. Okay, go here. Let's refresh this. Is this just a drill? This is not a drill. Spot silver above 71. Says Rashad. All eyes are on Michael Oliver's silver call, says Silver Ape King. Scrap my call of 60 silver. We're headed to 100 or 200 in the next couple quarters, says Michael Oliver. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's a wrap for silver. It's going to 100 from here on out. Says Apollo Chariot. See what we can do here. 700 people on the stream, 516 likes. Thank you so much. That means we're only 44 likes away from 5,500. Helps the channel a lot. Helps me do what I do. But more importantly, helps get out and gets more people into gold and silver. A like is the gateway. And we're at 44,538 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means we're only 62 subscribers away from the next big show. Awesome, America First. That's great. Stack it to the sky, my friend. Let's go. What a wild day, guys. I told you not only to put on your seatbelts, but your shoulder restraints. I don't think we're done yet. And wait for the Asian markets to take over tonight. 71.42. All new high silver futures. 71.42. Let's check the market cap. Guys, we're getting so close. We're getting so close to taking out Apple. Is it really 75 in Shanghai? Asian markets tonight are going to be insane. Get rid of that. Is it really 75 in Shanghai? I need to know. Are you trolling me? 71.43, new high there. There's only 1 cent though, so it only gets 1. Thank you for subscribing, Colton. Wow. 71.46. New futures all-time high. Come on. Look how close we are to Apple, guys. So this is trillion. That would be 100 billion. So we're 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're only 6 billion away, I believe, in market cap. Only 6 billion away from taking out Apple. Old Kai, thank you for subscribing. You are mega. Guys, we're only 48 subscribers away from the next big show. I keep looking here. This is total assets by market cap. It's all public companies, precious metals, cryptos, and ETFs. And we're about to be number 3. 71.63 futures. Guys, 71.63. We may be going to 72. Here we go. Let's see. Oh man, when this updates, we might be about to pass Apple. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. We just passed Apple in the market cap. This is not a drill. We did it. We did it. We did it. Woo!
Welcome to the 4th annual
Yes!
Crystal Light National
We
Aerobic
did it!
Championship.
We did it. Are you guys excited or what? Wow. Goodbye, Apple. 71.68 all new high futures. Apple, you can stay out of the number 3 spot. It is ours now. We're leading the way by $7 billion in market cap, looks like. Wow. We might be the first YouTube channel covering that. We just took 3rd in market cap, honestly. 2 more cents. 71.70 all new high futures. Elder Joshua Hetrick is celebrating by gifting 1 international stacker membership, and that's going to Farm Boy. Farm Boy, congratulations. Say thank you to Elder Joshua. Try those new channel member emojis. And remember, channel members, we are going to be doing a War Room live stream today for channel members only. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. And don't worry, we waterboarded the real Geared Up Survival after we found out he made it into the War Room somehow, and he has not retained any of the information. Medic 1541 channel member saying, holy cow, international stacker. I thought you had a chiropractic appointment. I didn't know you were streaming again. I did. I got my back cracked, came back, and went live again, baby. After I ate some Taco Bell. I did eat Taco Bell. 71.76 all new high futures. Ladies and gentlemen, are we going to 72? Are we going to 72 before Christmas? Is it really gonna happen? Oh wow, guys, look, literally where I put the tip of that. How do I do it? Literally where I put the tip of that arrow. We just almost made it, kiss the all-time high in gold. We are probably going to be breaking above the all-time high of gold here shortly of 4,497 and breaking into 4,500. Buckle up. We're in for a wild ride. Moderators, all channel moderators, I need you to bar all the doors. Bar the doors. No one leaves until we hit 72 silver and $4,500 gold. Moderators, bar the doors. Let's go. Wow, guys. Wow. Wow. We are 7 billion ahead of Apple right now in market cap. We've claimed number 3 spot today. Yeah, I mean, if it closes on backwardation, it's definitely more bullish for the price. 700 people in the stream, 550 likes. Guys, thank you so much. Smash that like button. Only 50 more to 600. I know we can do it. Helps the channel, helps the word get out, helps more people wake up to gold and silver. My $75 ounce target by the end of the year is not looking so crazy anymore, folks. Rumor has it if we break $72 an ounce, Mrs. IS will once again do the silver dance. Oh wow, gold to silver ratio. Let's check it. One second. Gold to silver's, it did break into 62 momentarily. We're back to 63. Wow. Wow. $700 people on the stream. Ladies and gentlemen, we are watching true history unfold right in front of us. Okay, I've got to run to the restroom. I got to pee like a racehorse. So I'm going to need somebody to get a timer ready. My goal is to be back in less than a minute, 1 minute or less, and I can wash my hands in that time. I just have to sing the song super quick. Here we go. I'm going to get... Nope. 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 Okay, I need someone to time it. We're going in 3, 2. Time, I'm back. What's my time? My time. What was my time? Oh my gosh, I made it by 1 second. Wow. That was a close one. Almost ruined my record there. We did cover it. Silver overtook Apple. I think we might have been the first group of people to cover that live. I don't know if anyone, like literally we did it right when it happened. I don't think anyone missed us or beat us. I don't know if that's possible. I'm expecting to see that happen again. Let's see. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We might as well try to be like one of the first on Twitter or X as well. I always call it Twitter. X. Okay, that was a horrible snip. Try that one more time. Oh, horrible snip. All right, one more time. Thank you for subscribing. There we go. Silver overtakes Apple in market cap. Watch out. Who's next? Nvidia. Nvidia. Silver is coming for you. Let's go. Repost if you're bullish on silver. Bang. We put it out there. We're probably not the first people to tweet it. See? Not the first people to... Oh! MS Tactical just flipped silver to Apple live. Saw it live with International Stacker. It's us still, guys. It's us still. That's us. We did it. Making history. We're going to war with NVIDIA. Here's the thing. NVIDIA needs silver to prosper. Think about it. All their circuitry, everything, they need silver. So NVIDIA needs silver. Silver doesn't need NVIDIA. But if there is anyone above us right now, at least it's a company that relies on silver and partially gold as well, too. Let's go. What a wild day. We're still in 71.68 futures. That is so bullish. Even with this little downtrend we're seeing here. Now, don't be alarmed if we see a little pullback and Apple jumps ahead of us again. It could happen. It could happen. But we'll just go right back. Refresh this. That's Mega, says Colt 61, a big Mega. I love your streams. I'm watching now, then off to the war room. Awesome, Stacy. Appreciate the support. Bang. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Come on, refresher. Let's go. 700 people on the stream, 569 likes. Why is this not updating? There we go. Wow, we're going big time. Rabid Cat, thank you for becoming a channel member. Guys, when you become a channel member or you super chat or gift memberships, it helps the channel immensely. Helps me do what I do, bringing y'all along with me on gold and silver adventures around the world and giving back to y'all. Last year, or this year alone, I've given back over 100 ounces of silver and some gold. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've won silver or gold on this channel, please put winner in chat so everyone can see. But guess what? You can support this channel without even donating a single dime, spending a single dime. You can simply like a stream, share a stream, like a video, watch a video all the way through. Just know whatever you do to support the Crustacean Nation, I really, truly appreciate y'all. And one of my #1 goals from the beginning of this channel was to get the word out to more people about gold and silver. I saw what was coming. I saw what was coming down the line, and I was like, wow, I've urgently got to prepare. And I'm like, man, everyone needs to urgently prepare. So how can I do that? By sharing my journey with you all. And remember, the reason we stack this stuff right here, physical silver and physical gold, the reason we stack this stuff right here is all throughout history, banks, big governments have told us this stuff right here, paper currency was worth something. Put your hard-earned blood, sweat, and tears and buying power into this stuff, and you'll be fine when you retire. But it has happened around the world multiple times, even in Vietnam with this big fat stack of Vietnam dong that is always has gone to zero when currency is not backed by physical gold or silver. It got so bad in Zimbabwe that we went from $1 million notes to $1 billion notes to literally $1 trillion notes. And that's why we're stacking physical gold and silver. That's why we're celebrating. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet. But boy, oh boy, it looks like we've got a lot of people who have won in chat. So awesome. I did want to do a few shout outs here. Shout out to Brody and Elder Joshua Hetrick for both gifting an International Stacker membership. Shout out to the new members, Eric, Jason, Stacy, and Rabid. Congratulations. And thank you to Jolly, Lollipop, Daniel Whitley, and America First for the super chats. You are all mega. Really appreciate it.
Mega!
Here we go. We're starting a reversal of this trend on another green candle with silver. Let's check on gold. Looks like we're seeing it with gold here too. Looks like we might be waking up here. I really think gold is gonna shoot the 45 here. Futures came down 10 cents, but it's gonna recuperate now as we start to push higher. Fly Stacking saying, for all the new stackers, consistency is key. If you buy 1 ounce per week, look back and thank yourselves. That's right. It's called dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short. Slow and steady wins the race. Have a set, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet that has crabs. Okay. But slow and steady wins the race. Whatever your budget is, if it's every week, every 2 weeks, every month, just be consistent. And if you get into big dips, yeah, that's a good time to be a little regressive. If you want, that's what I would do. Thank you to Bill for becoming a prospector. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. All channel members, we will be going to the war room after this stream. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Elder Joshua Hetrick saying, I am mega. Thank you so much. 72 when Asia comes online, especially around 8:30 p.m., says Eric Williams, channel member. I mean, yeah, but that's 6 hours away and so much could happen. Meaning, I think we might hit 72 before that. That's what I mean by that statement. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been going for 2 hours straight, and we're going to keep going. I've got a delivery person at the door. I'll be right back. Delivery person at the door. I'm hoping it's silver. I'll be right back. Probably about 2 minutes as we watch this candle shoot. not silver. Oh, can you guys hear me on the mic? Mic's still working. It was not silver. It was bed linens. Now it's possible the bed linens have some silver in it. That's fully possible. That is fully possible. 44,549 subscribers. Thank you so much. We're just 51 subscribers away from the next big show. We will do that live. I know, I was hoping it was silver I could show off to you guys. Okay, let's check features. Bed linens are mega too, says KTM. That's funny. Here's gold. Still holding off Apple? No! Everyone put an F in the chat. Apple just knocked us back to 4. No! No, quit laughing at us. No! Okay, we'll be back. We'll be back, Apple. We gotta hold the line. All the silver stackers, gold stackers, hoarders, collectors, and numismatists holding the line alongside our friends and brethren and sisters at Wall Street Silver, Wall Street Bets. Holding the line against the big bankers like Braveheart, holding on for dear life. Storming figuratively the beaches of JP Morgan Chase. Thank you so much, Disciplines, for subscribing. Do you stack yoga pants? I do not, but a lot of yoga pants have silver in them, including Mrs. International Stackers. Crispy Bacon and Junior says, give it 11 minutes. Okay, somebody mark the time right now. We're gonna see if Crispy Bacon Jr. is right, that we're gonna claim it back in just 11 minutes. And if you guys missed it, Crispy Bacon Jr. a couple weeks ago in chat said if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1, he's gonna donate 5 ounces of silver to give away to y'all. I said I'm gonna match it, so that's 10 ounces of silver to give away to y'all. And then 2 days ago, Alaska Prepper said he will throw in 5 ounces of silver. So that's 15 ounces of silver we're gonna give away if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1st. It's gonna be hard. We can do it if I get a couple viral videos, but it's gonna be hard. So I need y'all to smash the like button, share the stream, share the channel, and more importantly, watch these new videos as they come out in their entirety. If you watch it 100%, it tells the algorithm it's good and shares it out to more people. This one I put out yesterday, urgent bullion dealer scams exposed. This bullion dealer is telling you how they can cheat you. Not all of them, but some. And then this Friday, the first video from the Germanium mints coming out, I went to an old coin shop, bought some rare old Polish silver, but that's where the Germanium mint got started. So that's coming out on Friday. I think we need a Braveheart hold emoji if possible. Great idea. That will be the next one, a Braveheart hold. I love it. I love that. Channel members, do you concur? The next channel member emoji should be a hold the line Braveheart. I'm gonna see how many channel members we are from the next emoji. Let's see. Every like handful of channel members you get unlock a new emoji to use on the channel. They don't just give them all to you. You gotta unlock them. Oh, I should do the scene as well, like a Braveheart battle. But I got to be a little bit careful with that because I could get copyright. Copy strike on that. Let's see here. Memberships. Emoji. Emoji. Woo! We unlocked another emoji, guys. So I'm just going to throw something in it for now, just to reserve it. So the Braveheart emoji is coming. Give me 1 second here. For now, I'm just gonna throw the gold coin in it. The gold coin is gonna be back just for the stream only, and then I'll update it. But if you want to drop some gold coins while it's there, refresh the stream, channel members, and you should have that new emoji. And then we unlock our next emoji in... Wow. We need 49 more members to get the next emoji. That's going to take a minute. But once we get 49 more, we get the next. And here we go. We might be starting our next push to all-time highs. Let's see what we can do here. Chromium is tuning in from Scotland. SoFlo Stacking saying Mel Gibson approves. I asked him 3 days ago. That's so funny. Nice. I think Rudy Pooh's saying they've got 15 ounces. Nice. Good job. Chromium's got 41 ounces of gold. Looking like a pirate. Okay. 71.46. Our highest silver futures ever was 71.76. Our next target 71.75, then 72. All-time high was 71.51. Might be making a run at that again soon here. Silver futures starting to creep back up. Gold to silver ratios. We're back in 62. 62.9 to 1. Wow. Go ahead and check here. Let's go, says Dean. Thank you, Dean. I'll retweet you here. In case you needed some truth in a world filled with lies, this is David Bateman. He's the billionaire I was telling you guys about. Look at this tweet from March 31st. Here are the reasons I invested close to $1 billion in precious metals over the past 6 months. So this would have been 2024 to the first part of 2025, including the purchase of 1.5% of the annual global supply of silver, 12.69 million ounces. The global monetary system is about to collapse. The Great Reset or Basel Endgame. The biggest credit bubble in history will soon pop, 300 trillion. There is no way the US can refinance its 28 trillion in maturing treasuries in the next 4 years without an obscene amount of money printing. Trump tariffs are hastening the collapse, and it's by design. Gold and silver are the only meaningful life raft. Physical possession is everything. The whole world right now is a sophisticated game of musical chairs, and the chairs are precious metals. Crypto is a psyop. Those who purchase will have no chair left when the music stops. Real estate, crypto stocks, and bonds will all lose significantly compared to precious metals. The banking system has been meticulously designed to seize your assets, to buoy up a collapsing banking sector. See the great taking. You have zero counterparty risk with precious metals. I'm up 20% already on most of my purchases. This is not a drill. Your grandkids someday will either muse or lament the financial decision you are faced with now. Don't fail them. Wow, what a tweet. What a tweet. And he recently bought 300 monster boxes of silver eagles. That's 500 a pop. That's a tweet. If you bought silver yesterday, you're up 30% versus all crypto bros who bought Ethereum 4 years ago. That's funny. I predict an extreme rise in catalytic converter thefts. Do you understand this? Oh yeah. Because remember guys, 40% of the demand for platinum is catalytic converters. It's something like 70% of palladium, I believe. 70 or 80% is for palladium. So as the prices go up, the stuffs will go up as well. Feeling extra base today, might regret it later, but it feels so good. I don't know if that means he has silver. I don't know. Silver futures just ripped to 71.79. I'm just trying to catch up on stuff, guys, and I'm retweeting stuff out. So follow me on X, previously known as Twitter. You can read the stuff I'm putting out. Catch up on it later. I put a lot of important stuff on there as we're getting ready for another run at the all-time high. We've completed this famous formation. You all know the name. Sounds like I need to remove my catalytic converters on my truck before anyone else can. There you go. 71.56 futures. We're creeping back up. Gold and silver are both looking poised to make another run at the all-time high. Gold nearly kissed it, but then we had a little fake out there. Silver was the third highest asset, but then we had a little bit of a pullback and Apple came back, took it from us, but we'll pass them again. But you guys saw it all here live. I think we covered it first. Ladies and gentlemen, 630 people on the live stream, 605 likes. Thank you so much. Only 45 more likes to 650. I think we can do it. 44,554 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means only 46 more subscribers until the next show. And if we hit it, we will do the next big show live. Go! Crispy Bacon Jr. saying 3 minutes left till his prediction. If you are richer in equity today, because you haven't actually made the gain until you change it into another asset. But with that being said, if you're richer today than yesterday, put rich in chat. Better yet, put I'm rich. Let's go. Just invested in anti-theft catalytic converter stock, says Poker John. Made 7K from futures. Now we'll turn that into physical, says Ram or Ramik. Congratulations, Ramik. SoFly Stacking is also saying, IS, the rounds I emailed you were in fact the privateer rounds. They're just the ones with the pirate on the back. Awesome. The privateer series, such a great series. So good job on that perk. What did you get those for again? Is it $1 or $2 over spot? Those. This Argentum Addict is saying gonna take her own place just behind the gold, no doubt. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Buckle up. Whenever this song comes on, things get serious. At spot, you traded 3 buffaloes and 370 for the last. Good job. Good job, SoFly. Rob Cuff, the most common way people buy is 1 ouncers. That's the most common by far. That's the denomination most countries do their national bull. The apple did get eaten, but then the crab burped it back out temporarily. We will retake it. We'll retake it, but got to do some work here. You guys, gold is just messing with me. Like, look at me. I'm gonna do it, but then it doesn't. I think it's gonna any time now. That's awesome, TN Artist. Your LCS hooks it up. Why are the Kitco charts so different than the one you use? I don't know, but these are the most accurate charts that I'm using on TradingView. I don't know why Kitcos are lagging, but a lot of the online bullion dealers, even their spot price lags significantly. Some of them are kind of tied more to futures, actual spot. SoFly Stacking saying, if you're just starting with your stack, 1 ounce rounds are, in my opinion, the most common effective way to, yeah, 1 ounce rounds are great to stack, but make sure you're getting Troy ounces, OZT, not Avoirdupois ounces, which are just OZ. If you're to buy 20 ounces of silver on eBay and it's OZ, they're shorting you a bunch of silver. So you're always buying silver in OZT, which is koi ounce. Gold is coiling here. You guys, if you're just starting stacking, you got to watch this video here. Go to my channel, click videos latest, and it's the third row down right here. 6,000 fake gold scam alert sent to me. Protect now. Watch this video. It talks about all the different fake gold and silver scams. And it's very powerful for you to have that information, especially if you're brand new. Talks about German silver and a bunch of different stuff. I get scammed. $71.61. Okay, we're going back up on future, guys. $71.61. That's only 14 cents, 15 cents from the all-time high in future. You guys, eBay is super dirty. Tons of scams, allegedly. I would not be buying on eBay unless you're buying someone significant like Scottsdale Silver or AppMex or something. Definitely getting tired over here. Need a little bit of excitement. 640 people watching the live stream. Thank you so much. 627 likes. Where are we going next? We've been going for 2.5 hours. I've been streaming like crazy the last couple days. I love Scottsdale. Awesome, Fire Boy. Great job for being sober for. That's me. Yeah, JM Bullion, SD Bullion have legit accounts on. Okay, but those are like the only accounts I trust. Scottsdale Silver on eBay is actually pretty good. They'll do it at spot, still like once every couple months. I got a lot of my 20-ounce bars at spot from. Creeping back up on futures. See what we can do here. The best place to buy is your LCS. Totally agree, which is a local coin shop. You can get much better deals in person than online. Just be careful. Not all shops are created equally. Yeah, make sure you get a shop with a good owner. Nice, that wants to teach. I'm gonna need some honey in my tea tonight, says Ian Artist. That's funny. See what we got going on here. Thank you to Gaio for subscribing. Imagine if the puppet masters could effectively mind control a powerful high IQ minority and use them as a scapegoat for vicious and vile acts against the population. That might be a crazy tweet. I'll skip that one. Silver is now outperforming gold by the largest margin in more than a decade. Guys, I'm fading fast. I'm fading fast. I need a little bit of excitement. We need an all-new high. I need a shot of adrenaline. Looks like we're doing some consolidating here with gold. So these are my favorite Scottsdale bars. Let's get all, this is all worthless, by the way, if you're just joining us. This is all worth absolutely nothing. People trusted it. It's worth absolutely nothing. But I'm moving it. Should be burning it. But I use it for props. But I want to show you guys. I got these Scottsdale bars. I would buy them at spot. Scottsdale would do the sale on their eBay store back in the day. I really like these bars. 20 ounces. I was getting these for like 350, 340 bucks. What's a 20 ounce bar worth now? Let me see. Let me do the math. Let's see what the current spot price is. So we're currently at 71.23 times 20 ounces. 71.23 times 20. $1,400. I used to get it for $360. Wow. And Amina, channel member, hits me with the $10 thank you super sticker. Thank you so much, Amina. Really appreciate that. That is definitely mega. You're making it rain on the Goblin. Yes. Breaking news. Breaking news. Live feed coming in right now from the COMEX. Not looking good in there. I love those 20 ounce bars. And back in the day, someone sent one to me to give away to y'all. That was crazy. I got some of the smaller stuff here. Here's their 10 ounce loaves. I really like these. Like a loaf of bread. And then also I really like these 5 ounce buttons by Scottsdale. I got a bunch of their stacker bars and other stuff as well. It's pretty cool stuff. Really cool. And for those who don't know, Scottsdale silver actually mints for a lot of countries out there. A lot of the island mints, New Way, and these different things, a lot of them use Scottsdale. Germanium mint is also a mint that is actually minting for countries now. We're up to 44,559 subscribers. Thank you so much. 41 subscribers till the next big show. Okay, guys, I need to take 5 quick minutes. I need to take 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Do I have your permission? Oops, hold up. Let me fix this. Hold up. Let me edit that. Where'd it go? Oh, there it went. Let me edit that. I'll be back at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 5 minutes. Hold up 1 second here. I just need a quick break. I'll be right back. Bang. There we go. I'll be right back and grab a little bit of food real quick. No, it's not poop. I don't gotta poop. I'll tell you guys I've had to poop. I'll be right back. I'm gonna mute this mic. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be right back. Right back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Can you guys hear me? Mic check. Mic check 1 2. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear me? Okay. Whew. 5 pounds, 4 ounces. I'm just kidding. I did not have to poop, but I saw your comments. I thought that was funny. I am alive. We could see some nice action here on gold and silver. We're doing a bit of consolidation. What we could do here. I'm going to take my vitamin. Let's do that. Enzo saying this is crazy. My go-to spot shows all, or please call for silver. I've never seen this. Wow, Henzo. That's crazy. You guys, the market closes in 2 hours. Should we just keep going? Should we just stream for the next 2 hours? Who's with me? Should I do it? Who's with me? All right, if I do it for till market close, how many of you are going to stay? How many of you are going to commit to staying? If I do it. See how many people are going to commit. Huh. How many people got some skin in the game? 48-hour live stream without a bathroom break? Dude, I would pee my pants. I hydrate a lot. I drink a lot of water. I would literally pee my pants. Making salsa and listening to you, says James Moore. Awesome. But it's the bomb salsa. And look at this. Watcher Guru saying silver surpasses Apple to become the 3rd largest asset in the world by market cap. Look at this. Boomers who have been waiting for the silver manipulation to end since 1980. Watching silver soar through 70 tonight. That's funny. So this guy just put long dated puts on silver. Funny. The rally in gold will continue next week, says Weimer Silver Baron. Gold has seasonality working in its favor. Gold is showing signs that it may be on the cusp of another big rally with a potential boost from seasonality as well as bullish sentiment toward silver rubbing off. Check back. And SoFly Stacking saying it would be upset the bankers if you watch their shenanigans until the market closes. Crustacean Nation keeps an eyes on the bankers, and I got an eye on them right now.
Everyone.
Yes. I'm with you. I've been inventorying 120 ounces of premium. I scored this morning for 67 an ounce. Engelhard, Britannia, Emirates Gold, Pioneer Mint, Unreal Deal. Nice. Good job, Boro. Good job. You guys, gold's starting to look good here. I think that Taco Bell I had earlier is not sitting well with me. Had Taco Bell, it might have been a bad decision. Please let me know if it isn't really obvious what's going on with silver futures. Just Dario. Buck. Okay, I can't read that. Let's enjoy another day of the Santa rally, says the ape of Gold Street. Silver bugs rejoice, says Nostra House of Gold. Definitely not crab taco. Oh. Okay, here we go. Seeing some positive indicators here. Seeing some positive indicators. Hey, can you guys hear me fine right now on the mic? Like, this is where I usually talk on the mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. But can you hear me fine, or is it too low? 1. This is me leaning back. This is me forward. Pedal to the metal. Balls to the wall. Not good leaning back. Thank you. That's what I figured. Need to be forward. Got it. Let's go. Leaning back cuts out. Thank you for that. Intelligent. Secret. Top secret. And guys, gold is looking like it wants to. Changes to blue. We need to break above right there. We break above that. I see make a gold make a run for it. Here we go. Get ready. If we see it decisively break above that line, blue line, it's got to decisively thrust through it. See what happens here. 500 people on the stream. Smash that like button. 50 more likes to 700. I think we can do it. 44,561 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means 39 more subs to the next big show. Careful, that's why we are all pregnant. That's funny. Come on. Come on, gold. You know you want to do it? Okay. So we've got 4 minutes and 30 seconds left in this candle. Are you team green or team red for the gold candle? Silver's green. Ooh. Silver's starting to get a little good setup here. Let me get rid of that. Just gotta draw a new one. Sometimes you just can't recycle them for some reason. Probably there. Here we go. Daniel Whitley with the $2 New Zealand. Thank you so much. What days are the markets closed for the holidays? So the markets are going to be only open tomorrow, Christmas Eve, partially. I think till 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, something like this. Just know Christmas Eve is partial. Christmas Day is closed. There could still be some Asian trading going on though in the Asian markets for Christmas time. And then the day after Christmas, everything will be open. The day after Christmas, I believe, is Friday. Let me make sure. Day after Christmas is Friday. Yes. So normal trading day Friday, 5 p.m. Friday evening. The market closes for the weekend. It opens back up the 28th, December 28th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then it will trade as normal all day the 29th, all day the 30th, all day the 31st, I believe. I don't think there's shortened hours on New Year's Eve, but there could be. I'd have to look into that. But that's what we're looking for with that. So thank you so much for that super chat, Daniel. Thank you, William, for subscribing. You are mega. I almost feel like I should start a new stream. I almost feel like I should start a new stream at 4. Because if I did that, then we would probably have the bot back. What do you guys think? Maybe we take a breather here, and then I come back at 4. Then the bot should be working, and we go through market close, and then do a war room. What do you guys think about that? The mic's going to take a little bit longer than 40 minutes to fix. I'll have to do that into the night or in the morning or something. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a break right now in this stream. So smash it on your way out. And then I'm going to make a new stream to get it all set up for 4, which is going to take me some time. It's not easy to set those up. I'll get it ready for 4. Hopefully that fixes the bot. I'll restart the computer. If I've got time, I'll try to fix the mic real quick, but I don't think I have the time, but I'm going to try. That's my plan. Thank you, everybody, so much. I'll say catch you on the next one, which is going to be in about 40 minutes. So get ready, get your snacks, get fed, get some drinks. And this is going to be an explosive close. Are you guys ready for it? We'll see you guys soon. 40 minutes, I'll be back.